How to create a business card with QR code. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is simply open a web browser and navigate to the canva.com. Now there, sign up or log into your account. Now in the search address bar, search for the business card in the templates section. Now once you tap on the business card, pick a template that suits your brand and style. You can choose vertical or horizontal layouts according to your preferences. Then once you choose the layout, simply customize this. Now add your name, job title, business name, phone number, email, website or social handles if any. Then all you have to do is tap on the elements option available at the left hand side bar. So first of all, I just want to make a space for QR code to be here. So I'm just keeping this name and the job title at the above left side. Now let's tap on the elements. Inside elements at the tabs, simply swipe and there you'll get to see QR code option available. Simply tap on the QR code generator. Now there in the URL, all you have to do is type down the your website. Now let's simply type down your website or anything you want to include in the business card. It's not necessary to be your website, but if you want to add any extra informations from your business card using the QR code, then you can do that as well. Now here, as you can see, the QR code has been generated. Now please set properly, and once done so, you can simply download the file by tapping on the share at the top right corner of your screen. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.